Hey there, market junkies. It was another wild ride on the Indian stock market today. Buckle up as we break down the ups and downs, the gainers and the losers, and everything in between. From the Nifty to the Sensex, from small caps to mid caps, we've got you covered. Get ready for a wild ride through the heart of the Indian stock market. Let's kick things off with the big boys, the Nifty 50 and the Sensex. The Nifty ended the day slightly up, gaining 0.13% to close at 22,959.50. But hold on. Some sources say it closed a tad lower at 22,929.25. Hey, discrepancies happen in the heat of the moment. The Sensex, our other benchmark index, also edged up by a mere 0.08%, finishing at 75,996.86. Again, a little birdie told me it might be closer to 75,939.21. Look, the point is, both indices were practically flatlining today. Not exactly a raging bull market, but hey, at least they weren't in the red. Now, let's talk about the real stars of the show, the stocks that defied the odds and shot for the moon. Adani Enterprises, always a crowd pleaser, jumped 4%. Bajaj Finserv, another heavyweight, climbed a respectable 2%. And then there's Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, soaring high on strong Q3 results with a 5% gain. But the real showstopper? Godfrey Phillips. This stock has been on fire, exploding by a whopping 13.67% today, reaching a high of 6,819.8. That's a 44% surge in just 2 days. Talk about lighting up the market. Finally, we have Manappuram Finance, breaking free from the shackles of an F&O ban and surging 8%. These stocks prove that even on a sluggish day, there are always opportunities to make some serious dough. All right, time to face the music. Not all stocks can be winners. Some had a rough day, dragging the market down with them. Banking giants Axis Bank and ICICI Bank took a hit, although the exact numbers are still a bit hazy. Senco Gold, poor thing, plummeted to a new 52-week low. It's down over 60% from its peak in October 2024. Ouch. Ajax Engineering had a disappointing debut on the NSE, listing at 576 rupees, a good 8.43% below its IPO price. Talk about a rude awakening. Zen Technologies got hammered, crashing by 20% to 1,079.35 rupees. Their less than stellar Q3 results definitely spooked investors. And last but not least, Tata Motors, the auto giant, sputtered to a 52-week low, leading the pack of decliners. These stocks are a stark reminder that the market can be unforgiving. Section 5. Mid-caps and small caps, riding the volatility wave. Now let's move on to the feisty little guys of the market, mid-caps and small caps. These stocks are known for their wild swings, and today was no exception. After a brutal week that saw small caps plunge nearly 10%, they finally caught a break and ended the day in positive territory. The Nifty Small Cap 100 saw a whopping 89% of its stocks in the red recently, so this turnaround, while small, offers a glimmer of hope. Mid-caps, always eager to follow their big brothers, also joined the upswing. Remember folks, volatility can be your friend if you know how to play it right. Look at that Nifty chart. See how it bounced back from below 22,800 and closed near 22,950? It's like magic. Keep an eye on that 22,800 level, that's our support. And if it breaks through 23,000, look out above. And here's the Sensex, our other leading man. That tiny little 0.08% gain might not look like much, but it tells a story. The market is trying to find its footing. Keep watching, folks. Things are about to get interesting. Talk about a roller coaster. Small caps have been on a wild ride lately. But look at that. A little green at the end of the tunnel. These stocks are not for the faint of heart, but they sure know how to put on a show. Mid-caps, always the life of the party. They follow the big boys, but they know how to make a statement. That upward trend is a good sign. Could this be the start of something big? Stay tuned.